Hi, good morning. And for today's video discussion, we are going to continue organizing data visually. But this time, we are going to discuss how to visually describe data using bar chart and pie chart. So para naman po to sa mga qualitative types of data. Let's start. So the following data is the attitude of the respondents towards filling up of survey form before entering food establishments. So ito rin yung ginamit natin before for the ungrouped RFDT at ungrouped FDT. So similar steps lang din, katulad ng ginawa natin sa histogram. You have to encode your given data first and include proper labels. After that, you are going to select the header and all the data that you want to include in the graph. And ang kaibahan lang, syempre, pagka nag-click ka ng insert, graphs, or chart, Google Sheet will automatically select the most appropriate charts for you. So those are pie chart or bar chart. So kapag ka nakuha mo kaagad si bar chart or si bar graph, congratulations, wala ka nang gagawin. Tapos ka na. But kung hindi, same lang din, you are going to look for the chart editor, click setup, and choose bar chart. So, ito yung makukuha mo na chart. Ngayon, sundan natin yan step by step. Steps 1 to 4. So, I will demonstrate how to do that. First, let's go to the BSHM and BSTM sample data sheet. On the first entry under attitude towards health protocols, dun yung makukuha yung data sheet natin for filling up of contact tracing form. So, separate lang natin siya. Ay, may naka-ready ako. Ginamit ko pa dito kahapon. Ayan. So, paste lang natin siya sa empty na data sheet. And then, let's select the first observation up to the last. This is for step 2. And then, you just click insert. And then, hanapin nyo yung graph. Pag walang graph, chart. So, this is insert chart. Again, magde-decide na si Google Sheet kung ano yung pinakang appropriate na graph for your data type. So dito, nag-decide siya, sabi niya pie chart. But we are looking for the bar chart. So, punta lang tayo sa chart editor. So, automatically, nagpa-pop up yung chart editor pagka nag-generate kayo ng graph. Pero paano kung hindi nyo siya nakita dito sa right side? Kakasara ko lang eh. So, ang gagawin nyo lang, click nyo lang yung graph or chart, and then hanapin nyo itong tatlong tuldok. And then edit the chart. Makikita nyo itong chart editor. Under ng setup, nandun yung chart type. Palitan nyo lang siya ng bar chart. Ayan. So, this is the bar chart for the count of filling up of contact tracing form. So, ayan. Now, how do we interpret bar chart? So, the labels at the foot of each bar are the categories, while the numbers on the x-axis are the corresponding counts. So, asan yung mga labels sa foot ng bar? So, ito yon, may, dislike, like. Tapos, ano yung mga nakalagay sa x-axis? So, iyon naman yung 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, and 10. So, based on the graph, ilan yung nag-like? So, it is between 8 and 10 and exactly halfway. So, we can conclude that it is 9. Ilan yung nag-dislike? So, 0 to 2, meron tayong dalawa, nahagip niya. So, we have 2 people who dislikes the idea of filling up of contact tracing form. Sa me, we have 0 to 4. Ang nahagip niya, so we have 4 respondents who said that they are neutral towards the policy. Ngayon, baka may magtanong, Ma'am, hindi po naka-arrange ng lowest to highest. Dapat po di ba si May nasa gitna? Yes, you are correct. Dapat si May nasa gitna. But, since we are generating instantly, yes, preferably, dapat talaga si May nasa gitna. Pero kung mahihirapan lang din naman kayo dahil kailangan nyo pa i-manipulate yung data ulit, tatanggapin ko na kahit ganito na lang. Kahit na hindi siya arranged from lowest to highest. Sa table na lang kayo mag-arrange ng lowest to highest, okay? Okay. Now, for the pie chart, same lang din yung gagawin natin. Same na example, same na steps. Sa ano lang nagpalit? Sa step number 4. So, balik tayo dun sa data natin. Since parehas lang din naman yung data na kailangan natin gamitin, let's click this one again. So, itong may tatlong tuldok, edit the chart, and then instead of bar chart, mag-generate tayo ng pie chart. So, anong kaibahan ng pie chart sa bar chart? So, sa pie chart naman, you are given with percentages, not the counts. So, dito, meron ka rin namang option to edit this one. Ay, mamaya ko siya i-explain. Okay, so dito, count of filling up of contact tracing form. So, makikita nyo, meron dito mga nakalagay na percentages and then may arrow. So, pwede nyo yung palitan. So, instead of representing it this way, pwede nyo siyang i-customize kung gusto nyo na makita yung ibang label ng slices. For example, value. Ayan. So, meron tayong 9 na nag-like, 2 na nag-dislike, and 4 na nag-me. So, pwede rin naman na value and percentage. So, ilagay nyo dyan. So, like, merong 9, tapos 60%. Dislike, merong 2, tapos 13%. Yon of the total population. And may nag-4, 26.7%. Pwede nyo rin lagyan ng donut hole kung gusto nyo. Pwede rin na ganyan. Meron siyang butas sa gitna para donut. It's still a pie chart, although it is a donut. Okay. So, ganun lang yung gagawin ha kapag magre-represent ng data using bar chart and pie chart. And kung gusto nyo nga pala mas maging definite with the chart title, so for the chart title, since this is the attitude towards filling up of contact tracing form. Saan siya na ang bagal ko ngayon? Kasi nagpalit ako ng keyboard, hindi pa ako sanay. Ayan. So, attitude towards filling up of contact tracing form. This is the proper label for our chart. Ganun din nga pala sa bar chart ha. Huwag nyo kakalimutan to include your proper label. So, instead of just count of filling up of contact tracing form, I will prefer that you use the actual title, attitude towards filling up of contact tracing form. Ayan. Sa bar chart, ganun din. Attitude towards filling up of contact tracing form. Ayan. So, ma'am, may nakita po kaming ibang mga klase ng bar chart sa baba. Pwede po bang gamitin namin yun? So, meron ganito, column chart, and then combo chart. If you use the column chart, okay lang din naman. Ang mangyayari lang, nakatayo yung graph nyo or yung chart nyo. Okay lang din na gamitin yung column chart. At saka itong combo chart. So, si combo chart, pwede siyang magkaroon ng line sa taas. So, magkakaroon siya ng line chart sa taas if you have another data on the right of your given data. Okay, it's up to you kung ano yung preference nyo. The safest bet is to use, of course, the bar chart. You may label dito. But if you want to use the column chart, it's okay as well. Okay, okay. Thank you very much for listening, and I hope you were able to understand all parts of this video because we are going to have a demonstration again later. Thank you and bye!